What is hydrostatic testing in plumbing? Think you might have a hidden leak under your home? In Georgetown, Texas, and Austin, Texas, hydrostatic testing can give you a clear answer. Hydrostatic testing uses water pressure to check your sewer and drain lines for leaks. A plumber fills the system with water and watches to see if the level drops. If it does, that means there's a leak somewhere underground. Homes in Georgetown, Texas, and Austin, Texas often sit on slab foundations, which makes leaks harder to detect. If you notice high water bills, slow drains, or foundation cracks, this test can confirm the problem early. Call PlumbPros today for free hydrostatic testing and get expert help before a small leak turns into major damage.